number 2. Looking beautiful, Matt. Now as he extends here, show left. He's got that nose down. He's got the airspeed. He is in a beautiful spot right there. Nose comes up, wings go around, rolls it to the right. Ladies and gentlemen, the triple rolling pass out there by Matt Yonkin. Again, this airplane that Matt is performing in was built in 1940. Call a plover, which is basically like 1/4 of a 4-leaf clover as they dive in from air show left. Now as they get a big kind of smash coming in off that left end zone. Rob says, let's keep the throttle up now as they come right on around. They pull those airplanes into horizontal flight. And as we watch air show center, let's watch as they come right on up and across the top. As they get inverted right now, let's see, as Rob says, okay, let's call for the twist. Look at that. That is a wingtip roll out there as we watch them fly around out there. From the inverted to the upright, right back to the inverted. Bill Stein keeping it right out there in his right wingtip position. That is beautiful flying. That is Rob Holland and Bill Stein. Now as we watch them go out here off of air show right. They power those aircraft straight back up into the vertical once again. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Let's watch now as the quarter roll on the way up. Hanging on as the airspeed bleeds. They come right on up and across right now in an inside vertical reversal. Right on out here with a quarter roll as they come back at us here from air show right. Right now, they're going to... As you watch him come down our show line right now in the big old barrel roll. Listen to those power and those big Pratt Whitney 985 engines. Sponsored by Tulsa Aircraft Engines. Ladies and gentlemen, Matt Yonkin.